3 Zoom tips in 60 seconds. From your Zoom client, the icons on top of your client are obviously shortcuts to those different modalities. Did you know you could rearrange them? Watch this. I actually like Team Chat left of Mail. I also like Calendar all the way to the right side. Just drag and drop it. It's that simple. Ever needed the contact information of a person you're chatting with in Zoom Team Chat quickly? Just hover over their avatar and it pulls the profile up. Watch. I can see their personal notes. I can really see the office they're in, even their local time. I can also see their contact information like their phone number and email. Did you know you can create Microsoft Office productivity documents right from Zoom Team Chat? You can. Go down to the bottom where it says create new file. Hover over it and look at that. Microsoft Office 365 productivity documents.